Hi guys, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibes, and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So there's a lot of questions that people are asking me. Vibe with Sonia, is Cocodp now in Nigeria? Can I now do directly buy coins directly from Nigeria? All of those questions I'm about to answer here. First, welcome. And if you don't know about Cocodp, Cocodp is an app, or is a website or an app, whichever one you understand, that you can buy coins from the comfort of your home and then sell these coins on any platforms that you want to sell these coins. And the beautiful part is you can not only sell to Poppo Life, you can sell on Bigo, you can sell on Emo, you can sell on Star Maker, you can sell on Miko, Poppo Life, Up Life. And if you click more, you are going to also see more place that you can sell these coins, right? But I always like focusing on Poppo live stream app, because Poppo live stream app is one of the place I know that you can make good money, or one of the place I know that I've been able to make good money. So I just want to open my Poppo live stream app so that I will show you guys the exact amount I have right now. So as you guys can see, I have over 128 dollars here. Okay, over 128 USDT here, 25 cents, as you guys are seeing here. Okay, so now let's go back to my Cocodp. Let me show you guys how you can buy and sell coins using Cocodp app. Okay, now if you click on this area, which is this place, you're seeing this country flag, you're going to be seeing different countries, and this is where one of my questions is coming from. Vibe with Sonia, I'm not seeing Nigeria. Is Nigeria among the place now we can buy coins and sell coins? This, to God be the glory, great things he has done. They have added Nigeria, but they have not started. You cannot buy and sell yet with Nigeria, because they are still trying to add one or two payment information that will be very easy for you to get coins, to buy coins from Cocodp. Okay, so let's give it some time. I will know that definitely they are going to update us once they have start selling directly with Nigerian currency. So right now, you all you need to do is to choose your country. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my country, which is Kenya. You guys know that I'm always doing with Kenya, because I have a friend that is in Kenya that has really been helping me a lot, and that's one of the ways I've been able to buy coins from Cocodp, even when the Cocodp has not updated on my Nigerian end, you understand. But very soon it is going to be updated on Nigeria. So if you have any friend in any of this country, even if you're not Nigerian, any of this country that you have friends, feel free. You can also buy coins comfortably from the comfort of your home if you're in any of this country, right? So now, after buying coins, the next after choosing your country, the next thing for you to do is for you to go to this place. Okay, so we are going to choose Popo live stream app, because I am talking of how you can start getting 100 USDT every week down to your local bank account. So the most important thing for you to do when you want to buy coins now is you are going to choose which of the coins package that you want to buy. Is it 70? Is it 21,000 coins? And the good part is, any amount of coins you're buying here, Cocodp is ready to give you Jara. You can see 21,000 plus these coins, that's what you're going to be getting. 35,000 plus this, that's what, I mean 350, sorry, 210, that's what you'll be getting. So let's assume we want to buy this one, which is the cheapest one, 70,000 coins. You can see once you click, they are going to bring the money for you in Kenya shillings. And once you get the money in Kenya shillings, you're going to be filling in your email address. Your email address is very important. You can see that mine is already there, because my friend has been using my account to buy coins for me. Okay, now the most important thing that you should look out for again is your ID. Your ID is very important. So if this is the first time you're buying coins on Cocodp for players, they are going to give you this space that you're going to put your ID. And if you want to buy for someone, maybe someone paid you and you want to buy for that person directly, you can just put the person ID here, and the coins will be credited directly to the person's account. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, If you're coming here to buy, you click on buy. After seeing the amount, you can ensure that you read all of these rules and regulation as well, so that you can know the right thing that you are in for. Once you click on buy now, you can see that it's showing you that you should select payment method. So you're going to go ahead to select if it's cocoa in, or you want to use mobile money. Okay, for that, my friend that is in Kenya, she always use mobile money for me. So what I do basically is to send her the money from Nigeria here. Then she's going to convert it to their Kenya shillings, and then she buys for me. And it is very, very cheap compared to when I'm buying from Poppo directly. And if you're selling these coins, you're going to making money. You can use these coins to gamble, you can use it to play game, you can use it to do a lot of things for you to be able to make money. Okay, now if you read all of these things, you're going to go ahead and click on what? Buy now. If you click on buy now, okay, if you click on buy now, it is going to load as well and show you this place where you have to agree. You have to tick this box and say yes, I agree, no refund policy. That is why Cocodp will always tell you that you should ensure that your UID is correct. They're also going to be showing you the recharge account, as you're seeing under the confirm end. So this is going to be like the recharge account, so you should confirm very well. And then once you are done confirming, you're just going to click confirm, and that is all. You have your coins to your account. You can use these coins to gamble and win more. You can play games and win more. Most importantly, you can buy coins, you can exchange, you can sell coins. I mean, you can exchange your coins and also upgrade your level. So if you don't know how to buy the cheapest coins, Coco DP for players, it is meant for you. This is one of the sweetest app. A lot of people that I recommend to this app have been coming to appreciate me even on my Poppo live stream, gifting me here and there, supporting me, and I know that definitely you are also not going to regret. You can also follow them on Twitter. You can also follow them on Facebook. So let me go and show you their Facebook accounts. Now, if you go to their Facebook account, this is exactly how their Facebook account looks, you understand? And you can see it here on this Facebook account as well. You can win different cash prizes. There are a lot of prizes and a lot of activities that is going on here every day on Coco DP for players. Discover the power of Coco DP. Your gaming journey deserve the best. Like, there's a lot of things, great news, Coco DP USA, like every update you need to be getting, you're going to be getting it from here. You can see updates from Poppo users as well in Philippines, the different coins, and like this is the place. In fact, if you want to use Coco DP, ensure that you follow them. You get, ensure you follow them on Facebook so that you can get all the information that you want to get. These are the winners of the Christmas wish list winner. These are the winners. You can win cash prizes, you can win coins prizes and whatnot. So, and the good part again I love about it is you're not even going to do so much. They can basically just tell you, okay, comment on this video, do this one, like this post, share this post, and that is all. You're winning your cash prizes. And if you want to be getting all of those cash prize on time, ensure you are always here. Always check them out, so that you can be able to know exactly what they are dropping, so that you can be the first to enjoy the prizes. And the prizes is not limited to any country at all. In as much as your country is in the Coco DP end, definitely you are going to be making it. Okay. So start earning over 100 USDT every week on Poppo live stream app and thank me later. Buy and sell coins and thank me later. This is the honest way and the newest updates that you can buy. And you can see that right now, coins here for $1, Poppo is giving 1,560 naira. So it simply means you can even make more, and you can withdraw directly to your local bank account, as you guys can see here. You can see it here. You can withdraw. This one is my USDT. If you want to also learn how to connect your USDT account, let me know and I'll do it for you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any question you want to ask me, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I'm always here to answer you. And yes, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. With no further ado, I look out to say my video. I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.